The third product on this list is the Instant Omni Plus. The Instant Omni Plus toaster oven is designed to meet your variety of cooking needs. With 10 functions packed into one device, it allows you to air fry, broil, bake, roast, toast, warm, convection cook, dehydrate, reheat, and even make rotisserie dishes. This makes it an all-in-one solution for preparing quick and delicious meals. One of the standout features of the Instant Omni Plus is its EvenCrisp technology, which ensures food is evenly cooked with a golden, crispy finish. The top-down airflow system provides consistent heat, resulting in tender and perfectly crisp dishes every time. Whether you're cooking a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of bread, or a whole chicken, the appliance's extra-large 19 QT capacity can handle it all, making it ideal for families or those who love to entertain. Additionally, the toaster oven offers fast preheating, allowing you to go from frozen to golden in just minutes. It's designed with a double-layer glass door that retains heat for optimal cooking. With a temperature range from 170 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can easily adjust the heat for various types of meals. Its compact design ensures it fits comfortably on most kitchen counters without taking up too much space. Perfect for everything from side dishes to main courses, the Instant Omni Plus is a must-have for anyone looking to save time in the kitchen while still enjoying flavorful, crispy results.